kidney pelvis, NK2A kit. Straighten the pigtail out with the pigtail straightener. Introduce and lock the metal stiffening cannula onto the catheter. Perform the skin incision under local anesthesia. Using fluoroscopy, the 21-gauge introducer needle is advanced into the dilated pelvis. Loosen the stylet from the 21-gauge introducer needle. Remove the stylet. Introduce the 0.018-inch nitinol guide wire into the collecting system. Remove the 21-gauge introducer needle through the guide wire. The 2-piece, 5 French gauge coaxial dilator assembly is advanced over the 0.018-inch guide wire into the collecting system. Loosen the central locking stiffening cannula from the 2-piece coaxial dilator assembly. Holding the central stiffening cannula stationary, advance the outer dilator to the desired location. Remove the central locking stiffening cannula. Leave the outer dilator. Remove the 0.018-inch nitinol guide wire. Introduce the 0.035-inch guide wire. Remove the dilator of 5 French gauge coaxial dilator assembly through the 0.035-inch guide wire. Progressively dilate the tract using French gauge 8 and 9 dilator through the guide wire. Using fluoroscopy, advance the required catheter over the guide wire into the collecting system and ensure the correct position. Loosen the metal stiffening cannula from the catheter. Remove the 0.035-inch guide wire. Remove the metal stiffening cannula. To lock the pigtail in its position, pull the thread gently, ensuring that the pigtail tip is within the cavity. Wind the thread around the slot and press the clip onto the slot. The thread must be stretched during the process. Attach and tighten the safety string lock onto the catheter. Snap off the tab. Connect the catheter to a stopcock and drainage bag.